it's LiWen from Dance Insanity, and today I am bringing you sexiness while lying on your back. We're gonna do some abs as well as some sexy leg action. Let's do this. Today, we're not even gonna go into rumba walks. We're just gonna take it down onto the floor. That actually hurts my butt. Give me a second. Yes. Today, we're gonna build endurance of how you can really engage your center while you're doing other actions. You want to engage your core so that you can actually move around and not just hold your breath and stay in one spot. We will be doing 3 exercises. The first exercise is this. You will extend one leg and then be stroking the other leg sensually. Don't worry, I will offer modification just in case that's too hard, but it's something you can work towards so that everyone can do this. Okay, now on to exercise number 2. This time we will be alternating the sensuality movement of the legs. Our third exercise, we will come back to one leg extended and we will reverse the direction of the stroking of the leg. Okay, and again, I will offer modifications as well. You ready to get started? Okay kids, hands behind your head. Are you ready for this? That was wide. Extend your legs up into the air. Now, if this is a challenge for you already, then I encourage you to take the modification. All right, so point strongly through your feet. And as if this is not a struggle already, lift your shoulders up. Okay, so from here, leave your left leg long into the air, point through both feet, then drop the right leg down, sustaining the movement. And pull your right knee into the body and brush through the legs, extend it back up. Good, and drop it back down. Pull it in, squeeze your thighs, extend it back up, and drop it down. Pull it in, keep pulling your belly in. That means a grand total of 3. Laughing makes it work even harder. And 4, go. Stretch through your legs. Yes, you can do this. Yes. Nice. Pull your knee in, squeeze your thighs, and drag your ankle up. 6. Woohoo! Nice. Keep pulling your belly in. 7. And if you're shaking like crazy, good. It's working. 8. Oh, can this go any faster? 9. And last one, make it count. Lift your chest a little higher. 10. Yeah. Nice. Breathe. Other side, okay? If you need a little shimmy on your back just to release, you can do that. And again, hands back behind your head and both legs extend up. All right, and squeeze your toes, lift your chest. Nice. Left side, leave your right leg and extend left leg down all the way. Pull your left knee in and reach up. Nice, feeling the motion of the long straight leg. Squeeze your thighs. 2. When you do an ab workout, that's when time slows down. And 3. Good. Lift your chest up a little more. And 4. Remember how hard you work. Now let me say that again. Oops. The results you're gonna get depends on how hard you work. And that's 6. Yes. Stretch through the legs. And pull the knee in. Brush your thighs. Stroke through ankle. 7. I'm so torturing you here. Yeah. 8. Learn to love the pain. And 9. Keep your elbows still wide. Last one. And 10. Yes. That was a workout. Do we really have to do the other two? Yes, we do. Okay. All right, we're gonna do the alternating. You're gonna shake your knees side to side, final release. Okay, so both legs back up into the air, and we're gonna stroke the legs like we're swimming, synchronized swimming. Okay? Okay, so if you need a little extra support for your back, then you can put your hands down here. All right, and you can just leave your head down if that feels better for you. But if you're super gung-ho about this, then you can come right back to this position, okay? Okay, hands behind the head, elbows wide. Lift your chest up, extend your legs through into the sky. Nice. Now drop your right leg down and pull your right knee in. As you do that, extend your left leg down. That's 1, 2, 3, and feel the stretch in the legs. 4, brush the thighs. 5, feel the articulation through the knees. 6, nice, and keep it going. Halfway. Let's go, keep your breath. Yes, you can do this. Keep squeezing your core in. That's gonna support you. And 17, 18, 19, last one, make it count. 20, bring your right leg back in. Yeah, yes, high five your feet. Okay, nice, done. If you thought it was hard, I've already done a couple of rounds of this because time is messed up shooting, so I had to do more core just now. Okay, so if you're tired, I'm really tired. All right, and last exercise. Extend your both legs up into the air. Left leg remains up, and drop your right foot down to meet your left knee, and brush through and extend it out. Nice, and then pull it back up. That's 1, and we'll move a little faster now. 2, and stretch through your legs, your knees, keep it going. 3, 4, just notice if you're like with your neck, you want to relax your neck, try, okay? All right, 6, use your breath to help you. 7, brush through, squeeze your legs together. 8, 9, last one, yes. 10, pull it back up. Yeah. Short break here. And, okay, let's go. Last one, you can do this. Yes. And both legs back up. And left leg drops down, pull your knee into the chest and extend it out. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Yay! 7 more. And squeeze your thighs. 4. Stretch, pull it up. And keep it going. 6. And keep brushing your legs. Maintain that stroking action. Bending through the knee, extending through the knee. Nice, keep it going. Yeah, you can do this. Yes, what you put in today is what you're gonna get tomorrow. Last one, yes. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Good job. Air 5, air 5, foot 5, foot 5. I realized that that looks more like I'm kicking you in the face. I mean, okay, how about this? I think the reason I work out is so I can eat more food. Yeah! In secret, we just don't want to tell anyone that that's the truth. It's because we were pigs. When I say we, I mean me. That's your workout, and if that was tough for you, all the more awesome that you did it. And the more you do it, the easier it's gonna get. I was totally lying. No, it doesn't get any easier. But you do get a lot stronger. You know, you're walking around with a lot more confidence. To the right, and to the left, and to the right. And take your right hand, put it on the mouse, and take the mouse over to the subscribe button, and do a little click. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the sweat and the tears. Fake tears, maybe. Give my video a thumbs up. And you think I'm gonna say goodbye, but not so fast. Young man, young woman, young puppy. If you find that you have been doing the same old shit over and over and over and over again, and nothing is happening with your dancing, then hey, maybe it's time to do something different. Something different. Surprise yourself. We have the 30-day cha-cha challenge coming at you. Get with the game. You can do that challenge just by clicking right there. Ding. Check out our website, www.danceinsanity.com, which has lots of awesome dance stuff and workout stuff that you can just feast your eyes and your bodies on. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Or if you have something like a secret that you really want to tell me, you can also leave it in the comments below. I promise not to tell anyone. Just talk to me! That's all I have to say about that. Oh! And my name is LiWen.
LiWen.
From Dance Insanity, and I will see you in the next video.